Constitution Day is celebrated in India on November 26 every year. On this day, back in 1949, the Constituent Assembly of India formally adopted the Constitution of India, which came into effect on January 26, 1950. The Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment on 19 November 2015 notified the decision of the Government of India to celebrate the 26th day of November every year as Constitution Day to promote constitution values among citizens. It is also a mark of tribute to Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, the first Law Minister of India, who played an important role in the framing of the Indian Constitution. Facts about Indian Constitution. The original copies of the Indian Constitution were written in Hindi and English. Each member of Constituent Assembly that drafted the Constitution signed 2 copies of the Constitution, one in Hindi and the other in English. There are a total of 1,17,369 words in the English version of the Constitution of India. Both the version of Constitution, Hindi and English, are handwritten. It is the longest handwritten constitution of any country on the earth, and it is handwritten by Prem Bihari Narayan Raizada in flowing italic style with beautiful calligraphy, and is decorated by artists from Shanti Niketan including Vihar Ram Manohar Sinha and Nandlal. The original copies of the Indian Constitution written in Hindi and English are kept in special helium field cases in the Library of the Parliament of India. On 9 December 1946, the Constituent Assembly met for the first time, and they took preciously 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to come up with a final draft. On 26 January 1950, the Constitution was legally enforced, and the national emblem was also adopted on the same day, the day India was declared a republic with its constitution coming into the effect.